I bought the Apple iMac Pro. Time for an unboxing. Welcome everyone, I'm Zilla, and today I will be unboxing the Apple iMac Pro, which cost a whopping £5,000. So what do you get for the price of half a year's worth of mortgage payments? Off the bat, the packaging is classic Apple. A simple clean white box with minimal fuss. The box is straightforward to open with a pull tab on the top, and you are immediately greeted by another box showing in typical Apple fashion, designed by Apple in California. Inside we have the space grey Magic Keyboard with the numerical keypad, space grey Magic Trackpad 2, space grey Magic Mouse 2, the black lightning cable that everyone wants, and of course the usual booklets, a microfiber cloth, and black Apple stickers to do some pro trolling with. Dropping the front of the box down reveals the showstopper, the space grey iMac Pro front and center, underneath which we have yet another box housing the power cable. Time to take off the protective layers from the iMac Pro. First, let's remove the plastic sticker from the stand. Now time to reveal the screen. Removing the grey dust cover leads to some plastic that needs to be peeled off that beautiful 5K 27-inch screen. Turning the iMac around, you can see the Apple logo which houses the antennas. This also needs de-stickering in order to show off that shiny goodness. While I'm at the back of the iMac, let me show you the ports. From left to right, we have a 3.5mm headphone jack, a SDXC card slot, 4 USB 3 ports, 4 Thunderbolt 3 ports, and the much appreciated Gigabit Ethernet port. One thing I love is there's just one cable that needs to be plugged into the back of the iMac. Very plug and play. And above the power socket is a very large air vent hidden behind the stand. And boom! We are up and running. Now I know what some of you are thinking. Which version iMac Pro did I buy? Well my friends, I bought the base model with the 3.2 GHz 8-core Intel Xeon W processor with turbo boost up to 4.2 GHz, 32 GB of 2666 MHz DDR4 ECC memory, 1 TB of SSD storage, and a Radeon Pro Vega 56 graphics processor with 8 GB of HBM2 memory. My first impressions? Wow, that sums it up. Just look at that gorgeous 27-inch Retina 5K display at a resolution of 5120 by 2880, and with support for 1 billion colors plus 500 nits of brightness, this thing creates a party for my peepers. This is my first iMac and is very intuitive to use and has a very minimal learning curve, but it feels straightforward and easy with many details which just make sense. The speakers sound fantastic, plenty of bass and clarity. The volume, well, that gets so loud that I don't go beyond 50% volume, for fear of my neighbors will come knocking at my front door. So far, I love the simplicity, the clean lines, and the sleek, sexy look of that space grey color scheme. Oh, and by the way, this video was edited on this beast in beauty's clothing. I can't help feeling that if Darth Vader had a computer, that the iMac Pro would be his choice too. Welcome to the dark side. But why did I choose to buy this behemoth? All will be revealed in my next video. So if I were you, I'd smash that subscribe button and bell notification icon and give me a thumbs up. Share this video with others in your social media, and until next time, this is Zilla saying take care and peace.